Edday Nderitu muthenya wa ira joined in on a conversation about side chicks na guku ni mwena wa Facebook kuria a fellow celebrity had shared a meme talking about side chicks na andu aria mabatie gwitwo side chicks akiuga ati airitu aria miaka 18 nginya 24 acio nio mangitika side chicks no a miaka 26 nginya miaka 30 acio ni side hens na aria me above 30 years aria me kuma 31 guthie na iguru acio ni bottom zingers acio ti side chicks na araugaga ati to my fellow bottom zingers good nightini, and then she shared this meme akiuga ati sio mimi nimesema. Side chick is a young girl between 18 to 24. If you are 26 to 30 you are a side hen, na kama uko 31 and above wewe ni bottom zinga. Iyo niyo meme irakorirwo ikirekererio hwaini wa ira Facebook niracoka gututhura ndereti nene muno kuri andu aingi maraingiriire conversation-ini ino matongoretio ni mutumia wa Samido Edday akiuga ati na 40 plus ni muhau, airitu aria me above 40 years acio na matingitika side chicks acio ni mihau, na gatheka muno akiuga uguo cause obviously she is throwing shade at someone. Nundu ucio rakenia andu aingi muno maria yumire na njira nene to contribute on what she had said. Angi makiuga ati ona no metwo karogi nguno kana ona kigogo kana shushu wa njoka tondu acio ti side chicks matingitika side chicks anyone above 40 years. Edday Nderitu augite no metirwo mihau. Na onake Joyce Mama ni arakorirwo akirekereria gake akiaria cia wendo akiuga ati mundu wothe no ahote kwendana no ti mundu wothe ungihota gu sustain wendo ucio. Akiuga ati everybody knows how to love but few people know how to stay in love with one person forever. Don't waste your time loving someone who isn't willing to love you. When two hearts are meant for each other, no distance is too far, no time is too long, and no other love can break them apart. #blessed night my fam. And obviously that post raised eyebrows amongst her fans. Nginya murumiriri umwe wake aramuria ati is it a heartbreak, akiuga ati #heartbreak taking over, na Joyce Mama aramucokeria na kaimoji gaka. And do not forget subscribe for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.